In this video, we'll tell Frosty that we have an employee who is going to work on two different databases, which are Dev Sales and Dev Finance. And Frosty will create these databases along with the roles for the employee, ensuring that Frosty grants the correct privileges to those working on the databases. We'll also ask Frosty to create a user for a new employee. We'll provide the employee details and give them free reign to work on the databases except for dropping the databases. So here, Frosty will break down this problem into steps. It tells us that it will create two databases. Next, it'll create the roles, and last, grant the necessary privileges. Afterwards, Frosty will begin to create databases, showing step by step its execution. So Frosty successfully implemented everything required to tackle the problem, like number 1, creating two databases, number 2, a user account, number 3, two roles, number 4, it granted appropriate privileges, and in the end, it beautifully summarized, including keynote. So now we'll see how Frosty can pull data from Salesforce into Snowflake in real time. So Frosty understands all the components required to pull data from Salesforce into Snowflake, and it asks the user to tell Frosty what object they are interested in pulling. Then, what database should this data be loaded into, and which schema? And last, what should be the name of the table that Frosty should name? It will wait for the user input and will ingest the data. Frosty went ahead and pulled the data from Salesforce, and it tells the users that it created a table within the database and schema we asked it to pull into. It provides a quick summary of the columns it pulled and gives the sample query to check your data. On our favorite platform, Snowflake, we're able to see what Frosty created. We have a Dev Finance schema, Salesforce account schema, and a table with the name Account Proving Ground. And finally, we have the data which has been pulled from Salesforce.